A hypothesis is a prediction. It's an educated guess. In this class, we're going to formulate our hypothesis as an if-then statement. So, if whatever the independent variable changes, then whatever our dependent variable will also change. So when we come up with a hypothesis, you don't have to worry about being right or wrong. It's just a prediction. This is what we're testing in our experiment, right? If we already knew the answer, then we would have no reason to do an experiment. So don't worry about being right or wrong when it comes to writing a hypothesis, right? So here are some examples. If a plant gets more water, then its growth will increase. So in this case, water is our independent variable and plant growth is our dependent variable. Another example, if a student studies, then his or her grade will increase. Again, studying is the independent and grade is the dependent.